Hello all. Today I am going to explain how to install IBM Installation Manager on Windows GUI mode. Okay, let's start. Go to the zip file of Installation Manager. Just select and right click and click on extract option. Once you click this, it will create a folder here. So go to the folder and select install option to install the installation manager. Select install option and right click on that and run as administrator. So it will launch installation manager wizard to install. Okay. So IBM installation manager version is 1.6.2. Yeah, and then click on next. We need to accept the license agreement. Just select here and click next. By default, installation manager will be installed in C program file. If you want to change the installation location, you can browse and you can change that location. So click next. So these are all the information about the download, the file content, and how much it will be occupied the installation memory. 229 MB. So click install. So this is the install under C program files IBM Installation Manager Eclipse. Let's see whether once after this completion we will check this path. Yeah, installation is done. You can click here on the bottom right corner, restart installation manager, or in right corner up. So you can close this. It will launch installation wizard. Okay, I'm clicking on restart installation manager option. Yeah, oh, it is created. Okay, it is launched. Oh, this is the installation manager. Why we need installation manager? To install IBM website application server, IBM HTTP server, and IBM plugin, and to update the version, or if you want to modify the software, any changes, or rollback the version from newer to older, or if you want to install the products, IBM WebSphere application server, HTTP server, and plugin and much more products. It will useful, and you can manage to install, update, modify, roll back, and uninstall the products of the IBM WebSphere related products. Okay, so close the installation manager.